The QuietCool AFR Roof Mount Attic Fan Curb Mount Adapter simplifies the process of mounting your AFR fan on a curb mount for flat or low-pitched roofs. Note, this adapter is designed for flat or low-pitched roofs, 312 pitch and below. Do not attempt to install this adapter on roofs with a higher pitch than 312. If installed incorrectly, the warranty of the fan will be voided. For this installation, you will need a cordless drill with a Phillips bit or a Phillips screwdriver. Find a flat work surface and turn your AFR fan unit upside down. First, we will remove the 4 screws and rubber bonded washers that are fastening the primary flashing to the housing. Once all screws and washers are removed, lift and remove the primary flashing from the housing. Grab your curb flashing. Align the screw holes and attach the curb flashing to the housing. Once all 4 screw holes are lined up, reinstall the 4 rubber bonded washers and screws to fasten the curb flashing to the housing. Your fan is now ready to be installed on your roof. Please be sure to follow all instructions in your AFR Owner's Guide for installation.